So in this video, we'll be looking at finding the fifth root of any number. Just to point out before we start off this video, this method I'm going to show you, I don't recommend this just for you to use in a test as your like final solution, because this method I would use as a guide, because this method will help you if you're in a trial and error situation. It will help you to find your answer quicker. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so say we were given this number. So if we were given to find the fifth root of this number, which is a 10-digit number, if you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the trick is to find the fifth root of any number. So you're gonna have to memorize this. So basically, this ranges from 10 to 90, and basically, this shows you the boundary from where. So boundary, what I mean is, from 10 to the power of 5 you get 100,000, to 20 to the power of 5 you get 3 million. So it ranges from 100,000 to 3 million. That's from 10 to 20. And you get the idea. So, in this case, we're given a 10-digit number, and we know that this is going to be in the billions. So we already have a straightaway, we can guess that straightaway it's going to start with a 9, because our number is 9 billion, and you get the rest. So we know it's greater than 9 billion. So we straight away know it's going to be a number that's greater than 90. And the good thing about the fifth root is that in most cases, I'm not saying in all cases, but most cases, we take the last digit and it will give us, so we take the last digit and that will be our second digit here. But in most cases, this does work, but if it's not like a perfect, perfect fifth root number, it's not gonna give you the correct answer. Okay, so we're going to take 7 because it's our last digit in our question. So we take 7 and we put it into this placeholder here. And for our first digit, we look here, and we've already concluded that it's going to be greater than 90. So we can put the 9 here. So it would be 97. See? So if we take this and put it into our calculator, so 97 to the power of 5. So 97 to the power of 5. So, as you see, we get 8.5 billion. So, this is not like our answer, what we wanted. So, let's test it out for 98 to the power of 5. See, as you see, it's a much closer number, and I think it's the closest number you can get. Yeah, it's the closest number. So we were basically one number off. So as I said before, this method is used as a guide, not as your first choice in a test. This method helps you not to waste time, straight away to get to the point. It'll give you... Okay. So now we know our closest we got was 97. So let's move on. Okay, let's do another one. So say we're given this number. To find the fifth root of this number. So straight away we need to count the digits, because the digits are important in this case. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's a 10-digit number as well. And that means it's going to be in the billions. So it's either going to be it's going to start from 70 and go to 90 plus. So between 70 to 90 plus. So that's a good start. So we know it's between 70 and 90 plus. And we're going to, in this case, we know that fifth roots always, we take the second digit. Our second digit will always be our last digit. So what I mean is going to be this part here. So it'll be 3. So we're going to put 3 here. And we look here. 7. So 7.6. If you think about it, it's going to be greater than 90. So we're going to put a 9 to represent our 90s. So it's going to be 93. That's a rough estimate. It won't be our correct answer, but it'll be a rough estimate. So 93 to the power of 5. See? So we didn't get quite close, but we did get reasonably close. So as you see, one digit again